What's up, y'all? It's your gal Jay. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I am doing some hairstyles to do on my mini braids with beads. I didn't see a lot of those videos, so I figured I could make one. If you guys have not seen that video, it's going to be right here. Go check it out, and the link is going to be in the description box. Alright, so this video is going to be super straightforward, so let's just hop into it. I just wanted to film a quick little video for y'all to show some of the different hairstyles that I do. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my other video. And y'all, in my description box is my Depop. If y'all want to go check that out, y'all go check out my Depop. I'm selling some really cute clothes on there. Go check it out. Anyway, y'all, so I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day. And I will see you guys on the next video.